Welcome to Asan Science YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing one more lesson about science which will be useful for your competitive examination, that is acids, base and salts. So see here, a solution with pH 5.5 turns blue litmus to red. So this solution must be acidic. So see here, litmus is nothing but an indicator for acid and base. If the pH is below 7, it will be known as acid. The pH above 7 will be known as bases. So see here, and the characteristic feature of acid is it turns a blue litmus to red. So see here, the answer will be acidic. When acid reacts with a metal, it forms salts and hydrogen gas. When acid reacts with metal carbonate or metallic hydrogen carbonate, the gas will be produced is hydrogen, along with the salt and carbon dioxide are also produced in this chemical reaction. Next question. When acid reacts with the base, it forms salt and water. This type of reaction is known as a neutralization reaction. So see here, acids are sour in taste, or bases are having a different bitter taste. When they react or they combine, they form a neutralization reaction. Curd and sour materials are stored in copper vessels because see here, container will be corroded and food gets spoiled. So option both A and B is correct here. All bases are not soluble in water, but some are soluble in water, and these known as alkalis. The pH of acid rain is less than 5.6. So see here, detailed about acid rain we have discussed in our video, that was about fibers and pollution. So visit that video for more information about acid rain. The substances which are used to neutralize the effect of acidity in stomach are commonly known as antacids. So see here, as we have discussed in our previous video, life processes, an acid known as hydrochloric acid is secreted in our stomach, which provides acidic medium aid for digestion. But if we do not eat food at that time, that causes acidity. To neutralize that effect, we use a substance known as antacid. For example, milk of magnesia. For commercial name for antacid is nothing but ENO. ENO like substances provide a neutralization reaction and aids the problem of to cure the problem of acidity. Tooth enamel, which is a part of tooth, made up of the following substances. So calcium phosphate. Tooth enamel is made up of a substance known as calcium phosphate. So see here, next question. The nature of toothpaste is basic. If pH of mouth is less than 5.5, it causes tooth decay. To prevent that tooth decay, we have to wash mouth after eating food with the water, or we should use the toothpaste which is basic. So see here also neutralization reaction takes place and which prevents the tooth from decay. So the acid which is present in the nettle leaves and sting in ant sting. So see here, in nettle leaves and ant sting or ant bite, methanoic acid that causes irritation reaction. So see here, more acid examples are given here. So please note down these acids and where they are actually located. Vinegar, in vinegar acetic acid, in lemon citric acid, in tamarind tartaric acid, in tomato oxalic acid, and in curd lactic acid is present. Next question. Brine solution is aqueous solution of which of the following compound? Sodium chloride. So sodium chloride is nothing but table salt that used in cooking, and that dissolved in nothing but water is known as a brine solution. Next, so see here, CaOCl2 is commonly known as what? Bleaching powder. So it is the chemical formula of a bleaching powder. So here uses of bleaching powder are very important. So see here, you also go through these points. It is used as a laundry reagent for cleaning clothes and in different factories, and most important use is used in purification of water. Small amount of, so see here, bleaching powder is nothing but poisonous. We have to use in very very minute quantity. Next question, the chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. So baking soda is nothing but used in a household purpose for cooking, sodium hydrogen carbonate. The other uses are, so here it is also used as antacid and in the preparation of baking powder. So see here, baking powder and baking soda are different things. We use baking powder using baking soda. In baking soda we mixed some mild acids like tartaric acid to make baking powder. Next question, so see here a chemical formula is given. So it is the chemical name of which compound? It is the chemical formula of washing soda that we use to wash clothes. Other uses of washing soda are given here. It is used in glass, soap and paper industry and preparation of compounds like borax and also cleaning agent for a domestic purpose and to remove permanent hardness of water. So in hard water we cannot wash clothes or it will be very difficult. So in the preparation of detergent we use this washing soda. Next question, calcium phosphate hemihydrate is the chemical name of plaster of Paris. So here plaster of Paris is made using a gypsum. You have heard about gypsum that is added in cement to slows down the hardening of cement. Other uses of plaster of Paris is given here. It is used by doctors to treat a bone fracture and also used to prepare monuments. Next question, plaster of Paris should be always stored in airtight containers. So see here, as I told you, it is prepared using a gypsum. If you kept it in open air, it will get converted into gypsum easily. See, the pH of fresh milk is 6, but when it is converted into curd, the pH will be, see here, it will become, you have tasted the curd, so it is having somewhat acidic taste or a sour taste. So pH will be always decreases when it converted into curd. So here these are the important questions related to acid, bases and salts. So my suggestion for you is you should visit this complete chapter in the 10th standard NCERT textbook for more useful information.